Sparkling clean, made easy, the effortless double-sided window cleaner brush. Its long handle reaches those tough spots, and the double-sided design makes sure every corner shines. Perfect for high windows and glass doors. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to crystal-clear views. Add some fun to your cleaning routine with the Golf Club Toilet Cleaner. This quirky tool not only cleans effectively, but also brings a smile to your face. A great addition to any bathroom, it's functional, efficient, and a sure conversation starter. Meet the ultimate cleaning companion, the 3-in-1 Cleaning Master. Brush set. Combining versatility with efficiency, this set tackles various cleaning tasks effortlessly. Whether it's dust, grime, or hard-to-reach areas, these brushes have you covered. Compact and convenient, they're perfect for keeping your space pristine without cluttering it up.